Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make your Facebook account private. Stick around until the end to learn all the steps and tips to protect your personal information and control who can see your content. Let's get started. First things first, go ahead and open the Facebook app on your smartphone. Whether you're using an iPhone or an Android device, the steps will be pretty much the same. And once you're on the homepage of your Facebook, click on the menu. In the menu, look for Settings or the gear icon in the top right corner, and after you have opened the settings menu, scroll down and look for Tools and Resources. Here you will find this option of Privacy Checkup. Click on it, and if you don't see it immediately, you can use the search bar at the top right corner of the screen and type Privacy Checkup. And once you find it, click on it. On the Privacy Checkup page, select Who can see what you share. Now this is where you can control who sees your post, profile information, and more. So click on Continue and you will be prompted to adjust settings for various aspects of your profile. For maximum privacy, set everything to Only Me. This means that only you will be able to see your post, friend list, and other personal information. However, if you want some visibility, you can choose options like Friends or Friends Accept to customize your settings. Click on Next. Next, you will have this option of Limit Past Post. This is particularly useful if you want to hide older posts from being visible to the people who are not your friends. So click on Limit to restrict the audience for all your past posts in one go. And then again click on Next. Now if there are specific people you want to prevent from interacting with your profile altogether, you can simply use the blocking option. Here you can add users to your block list, ensuring they would not be able to see your profile, post, or send you any messages. Moving on this Privacy Checkup page, you will find a section called How to Keep Your Account Secure. Here you can update your password and enable alerts for unrecognized logins. It is a good idea to strengthen your security settings to protect your account from any unauthorized access. Now let's make it harder for people to find your account. Under How People Can Find You on Facebook, you can change the settings to limit who can send you a friend request and look you up using your email or phone number. For maximum privacy, you can change these settings to Friends of Friends or simple Only Me. Finally, you will want to review the Apps and Websites section under Data Settings on Facebook. This is where you can control which apps and websites are connected to your Facebook account. If there are any that you no longer use, it is a good idea to remove them to keep your data secure. That's all for today's video. Leave a comment and let us know if this is helpful. Thanks for watching.